Hey guys, so I'm back with 5 more one-handed example solves with the Roux method. So let's get started. Here's the first scramble. So here I would do the orange-yellow first block. I would solve the front pair first, which is this edge and this corner, with f m2 f prime. And then this edge would just do an f and an f prime. It'll come back up here, and this corner won't move. So to solve this pair, I would do u2 m prime to put the edge down there, and then u prime r b prime to solve the pair. And then this dr edge, it'll do a u2 from AUFing this pair, and then a u prime. It'll be here oriented. So I solve the front pair like this, and now the back pair. And like I predicted, this is right here, and I saw this corner and this edge, but they're not corresponding, but I'll pay attention to that. And then here I can't see anything, so I would do wide R2 to put the dr edge down. And then I see these two first, so I would solve them in the back like this. And I saw the edge was in the solved position, so I could pair with this corner right after solving this. Now it's a soon case, so these two match, and this one is opposite to this and this, so I do this alg. And then these two are the Euler edges, so I would do EOLR like this. And then here I see if I do UM2, I'm gonna get dots, so to skip that I would match these corners with this edge and then solve it like this. Alright, here's the second scramble. Red-white seems to be a good option, but I think I would do green-white on this. So first, I would complete the square by moving this corner up here with R2, and then D, R prime, D prime would insert the corner over here. And then using this pair would end up over here. So I would insert in the back with RU prime B. And then this DR edge just does a U prime, so after the first block, it'll be here misoriented. So I'll show that now. Like that to complete the square, and then solve the back pair. And then meanwhile, I see this corner and this edge. I'll see this corner, and this is the blue-orange corner, so this must be the blue-red. So I would solve this pair after the DR edge like this. And then the last pair is over here, so I would solve it like this. And now CML is a pi case, these two match and these two match. I do this out. And now I saw one of the Euler edges went back there, and the other one's here, and I can't do an EOLR for this because it'll be a lot of moves. So I would just do EO, and then put this on the bottom. And now I see red, orange, so it will be M2. Alright, here's the third scramble. Right away, I can't see any easy blocks or pairs, so I would probably go with blue-white and solve the front pair first. And to do that, I would do F to move them up here, and then white R prime, U prime, R prime, pairs them here, and then F would solve them. And I see the edges flip back here, and from solving the front pair, this corner would move here with white on the left side. And then to solve this pair, I would do U2 to move the corner here, B prime R to pair them here, and then white R B prime to solve. And from that, the DR edge, it'll solve from solving the front pair because it'll do two R primes. But then from the back pair, it'll do two R's, so it'll come back up here. So I'll show that now. And meanwhile, I'm paying attention to this edge and this corner. So I see that edge is going to go back there with orange in the back. So once I insert the DR edge, I can go straight into inserting the back pair. And I see the edge is flipped here and the corner is right here. So I could solve this pair once I insert the back pair. And now I see this is an anti-soon case with these two matching, and this one opposite to this and this. So I know this alg that I'm going to do would flip these two, so I'm actually going to skip EO and I'll be paying attention to the LR edges, and I see one of them is right here. So I'll look for the other one. And it's not anywhere here, so I know it's in the back. So I would solve the LR edges like this, and then red, it would be M prime. Alright, here's the fourth scramble. I would do orange, yellow on this first block. So first, I would solve the front pair by doing U prime R2 F, and then it will make this pair swing over to here. So to solve this, I'll put the corner over here with U, and then B prime R2, pair them down here, and then a B prime with insert. And then the DR, it does a U prime F from the front pair, so it'll be here oriented, and then the back pair, it'll make it do an R2 and a B prime, so it'll be back here misoriented. I'll show that now. And then I see this pair, and I know the DR is back there misoriented, so I'm going to solve the DR with wide R prime, U, wide R2, and I know this pair will end up right here, so I'll just solve it straight after. And then I see this edge, and I know once I do wide R2, it'll go down there with red bottom, so I'll keep that in mind while I solve this pair. And then I see this corner, so once I solve this pair, I would end with wide R prime so that the edge back there will come up oriented, and then I can solve this back pair like this. And then from this angle, the anti-swing case, I see these two are opposite, these two match, so I would do this alg. And now I have a good arrow right here. These two are the LR edges, so I would do EULR like this. And then 4C. Here's the fifth scramble, and this looks like quite a bad scramble, but I think I would do the orange-yellow first block. I would do D2 first to solve the DL, and then solve this front pair with U M2 to put the edge down here, and then U R prime F to solve it. And then from that, this pair, it does two U's. So to solve this pair over here, I would do wide R, U, R, B prime. And then from that, this DR, it does D2 from solving the DL. It would do an M2, U from the front pair. And then this back pair, it'll do another U, and then a B prime would actually orient it over here. So I'll show that now. And then I see this edge, so I'm gonna pair with this corner like this. And then I see that edge is gonna go back there with red at the back, so I could pair with this corner like this, and then insert. Alright, now CML, it's a Soon case with these two matching and these two opposite, so I use this alg. And then I see these two are the LR edges, so I can do EOLR like this. And then I see this is green, so it's M. Thanks for watching.